Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Steph. She's coming for a fresh set. Well, actually we did a soak off first because one, it's good for the nails, and two, it was about time. So, she's going on holiday, so that was a good time. So I've done all the prep work on her natural nails, and I applied Glitter Planet's, God, I can't even get my words out. Glitter Planet's tapered square tips. And if you haven't already, I know you have because they're just bomb.com, in the words of Lorna. But if you haven't already, go and get them. They are literally amazing. Tapered square tips, probably all their tips are fine. I've got the stilettos, they're just as good. But these tapered square ones are the best. And I do have a discount code, which is Tracy10. Tracy10, that gives you 10% off your order. So that gives you a little bit of money off. So I applied them, shaped them, and I applied my clear layer. So she is having baby boomers. She's going to be a bridesmaid in Santorini, I think it's called. So she wants a nice, cute baby boomer, of course, standard. So here I'm just applying Snow White, and I'm just applying that halfway down the nail, maybe just a little bit further up, blending that line there, and then just dragging down and perfecting the shape. I do that to all, I'm only showing you one hand, sorry, I was going to say I'm going to do that to all 10 nails, well, I do, but here I'm just showing you on this hand. So I do let that hand completely set, so I'll go and do the same on the other hand, and I'll let them dry. So now I'm going back to this hand. So here I'm using CJP's Slush Fairy, and it's just the best to ombre with. I think somebody said, I think it was Liz, she said that any acrylic with glitter in is easy to ombre, and she isn't wrong. So if you're struggling with your ombre, get a Slush Fairy. It's going to be so easy. Or a glitter with Slush Fairy is so amazing to work with anyway, full stop. But honestly, just get it. You'll love it. You need it in your collection anyway. So yeah, I'm just doing that, applying it to each nail. The baby one I did in one ball. Oh, I think I did two eventually, but usually I do two because they are quite long as well, so I usually like to do two. And when I do, I just make sure I blend the back out so you don't get any shadowing or lines. And again, with this, you don't anyway, so win-win. So then here, instead of capping all the nails, I'm just kind of capping halfway down the nail, because whenever I do white, I seem to do it more thin. I don't know why. I think white is quite hard to work with, so I just kind of just do it thin, just paint it on rather than build up any bulk. So I'm just capping the tip really with crystal glass. So I have switched my brush. To do the ombre, I used CJP's Big Boy brush, and now I'm using Glitter Planet's size 14 magic stick. So now I come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape. I then come in with my Efile and I whiz over the top just to remove any bulk and flatten out that cuticle area. I then buff the nails lovely and smooth. She'll go and give them a good scrub with some water and soap, and then we're ready for top coat. So now I'm going in with my top coat. I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss, just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. I think I do leave a clip of her left hand in because I was doing a video for my Instagram and I wanted a little bit more closer up view sort of thing, and it looked good, so I thought I'd leave it in for you to see. So yeah, I do leave a little clip at the end to show you the final result too. So yeah, that is it. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one.